Understanding same old, a guide to everyday English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, same old, same old. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it correctly? Stay tuned as we explore this expression in detail. Same old is an informal phrase used to express that a situation, condition, or pattern has not changed, especially if it's somewhat boring or monotonous. It's a way of saying that everything is as it has always been, with no notable differences or excitement. This phrase is often used in response to questions like, "What's new?" or "How have things been?" The exact origins of same old are a bit murky, but it's believed to have gained popularity in English-speaking countries in the 20th century. It's a repetition of the word same to emphasize that there is nothing new to report. This kind of repetition is not uncommon in English to highlight or stress a point. When using same old, it's important to understand the context. This phrase is best suited for informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in dialogue. Friend 1, "Hey, how's work been lately?" Friend 2, "Oh, you know, same old, nothing much has changed." Parent, "How's school? Anything exciting?" Teen, "Nah, same old, just the usual homework and tests." There are several variations in expressions similar to same old, that also convey a sense of unchanging routine or monotony. These include, "Nothing new under the sun," "Business as usual," "Same old story." Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express nuances about repetitive or unchanged situations. That's a wrap on our exploration of same old. We hope this video has shed some light on this common English expression and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and everyday usage of phrases like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.